Hi, this is Joe Don Baker with Keller Williams Realty, walking tall on home sales. Why am I dressed like this? We're celebrating the week of St. Patrick's Day. And if you're looking for a new home, have I got one for you. I'd like to tell you a little bit about the inventory that I have for sale. Like this one here, 5309 Millstream Road in McLeansville. It's over 4,000 square feet on 2.2 acres of land. And consider yourself lucky. It's going to be open this Sunday from 2 to 4. I'd love to see you here. And how about this one? Perfect for the first-time home buyer. 3526 McConnell Road in Greensboro, completely renovated inside and out with hardwood floors, a fireplace on a 1-acre lot. Call for your personal showing. And how about this one? 5318 Frieden Church Road. How's that for Irish descent? On Frieden Church Road in McLeansville, 1,300 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, walking distance to local schools, and reasonable offers are welcome. Perhaps you're looking to build a home this year. Well, you're in luck. You should check out the lot that I have for sale in beautiful Millbrook Estates. It's in Haw River, close to Mebane, close to Graham. Let me show you more. It's located at the end of Millbrook Drive. It's 1.35 acres, and it's set up to be cleared and accessible for well and septic, and it could be yours for the right price. For pricing and other information on these homes or any other home you see for sale, give me a call. I'm Joe Don Baker with Keller Williams Realty, walking tall in home sales.